Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the app and confirming you have enough Sweatcoins to redeem. Open Sweatcoin, sign in, and make sure step tracking and location permissions are enabled so earnings register. Otherwise, you may see a delayed balance. Once done, tap the Wallet or Rewards tab to view available gift cards and your current Sweatcoins total. If you plan to combine multiple offers, make sure your account has the required balance or linked payment options for top-up before moving to selection. Now you pick the exact gift card you want and verify its specifics. Tap the card, read the cost in Sweatcoins, and confirm the delivery method. Some are instant codes, others require email delivery, which can take minutes. Also check region locks. A UK card won't work in the US. Once you confirm compatibility and balance, press Redeem and follow on-screen prompts to choose recipient details or delivery email, because accurate info prevents failed delivery or invalid codes. Finish by confirming the redemption and watching for the delivery notification. You'll get an in-app confirmation and usually an email or instant code. Save the code or screenshot the receipt. If nothing arrives, first check spam folders and the exact email used. Make sure your app notifications are enabled and that you didn't mistype an address. If problems persist, contact Sweatcoin support with your confirmation ID and time of purchase so they can trace the transaction and reissue the gift card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.